ever felt like time is not on your freaking side? Because I hella sure didn't. Because let me tell you, working 50 hours in corporate, burning your heart and soul, and still freaking struggling, living payday to payday, and have nothing to show for it except being burned out, I started looking on how the hell can I start to supplement my income 100% around my corporate job so that I can essentially get my life back. But I didn't want to sacrifice my financial stability in doing it. So I found a program that offered me the opportunity to start a little side hustle that's freaking making me thousands of dollars every single month. Doing digital marketing as a complete beginner. Anybody can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. All I had to do was just follow a simple to follow proven blueprint that showed me how to master a 2-hour workday that I could implement throughout my day, in the pockets of my day, not needing any kind of prior experience or tech-savvy skills or even pay monthly fees, but just showing up, purchasing a program one time and plugging into my training and just becoming coachable. So if you want to learn exactly how you can start changing and get time on your side, then drop a one in my comments. I'm going to get you the info.